The Central Susquehanna Valley Transportation Project, or CSVT, is a long-awaited solution to a well-known congestion point on US 15 near Shamokin Dam, Pennsylvania. When completed, this 12-mile stretch of new highway will give drivers 4 lanes of 65-mile-an-hour traffic through Pennsylvania, from Maryland to New York.
We've been involved in this project for the better part of 25 years. We had a lot of stops and starts. The river bridge alone costs over $350 million to complete. And so the budget oftentimes plays a role in how much money the state has to keep these studies going.
On a complex project like CSVT, a new roadway on new alignment, it takes a lot of effort, both from environmental evaluation and engineering perspective, to find the best route to accommodate the engineering needs, the traffic needs, but to minimize the environment and minimize the impact to the people who live here.
As the prime consultant here on this project, our role was a little different in that we led the studies. We were the face of the project in front of the natural resource agencies. We were the face of the project in front of all the public at the multiple public meetings that we had. We had numerous stakeholder meetings, and we managed the engineers on this project. They were putting the highway alignment in locations where that we were collaboratively working to make sure we had the least environmental harm while still meeting the transportation needs of the highway project.
By far, the most unique aspect of the entire project is the river bridge crossing. Its size and magnitude are not only unusual for the area, but unique for the region and the state.
This project was a great example of environmental planning, primarily because there was just so many environmental features out here that we needed to be cognizant of. We're looking at everything from socio-economic issues, natural resources, cultural resources, farmland all over the place out here. We want to leave as small a footprint as possible on the landscape, but give the highway system that's already in place back to the people who live here.
Terracon's environmental planning services help make this new stretch of Pennsylvania highway a reality. We can help your next project with a national network of professionals who will put their local expertise to work for you. Visit Terracon.com to learn more.